today to Hollywood Studios for day 3. Everyone's pretty tired this morning. Well, my feet are killing me. But our plan is to rope drop Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and then we also have lightning lanes today. Our first one's for Frozen. We also have Tower of Terror and Slinky Dog Dash. And then we also bought Rise of the Resistance single passes. So we're also going to do that today. We're just waiting for the bus. It's 7 o'clock right now. Our first bus, or our bus will be here at 7:07. What? Go for it. What game are you playing?
Oh dang, I missed my
Yeah.
The fishing game. Are you playing fishing game too?
Tail.
Yeah.
What you got, Linky? We got some chips.
We got chippies.
And your daddy. For Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and last time it was open, but we didn't get to ride it because it was down the whole last like 3 or 4 hours of the day. It never came back up, so we couldn't ride it. We had a lightning lane to ride it, so I'm so excited for this first ride.
You've been talking about it nonstop.
Yes, I have. I've been waiting for this for years. 3 of them specifically. Are you ready?
Relaxing ride around the floor. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Let's
Okay, Els, what do you think?
Really good ride. Sad we missed it.
2 thumbs up.
Oh yeah, I loved
can't
it.
do things. I 500.
Yeah, what'd you think, Kenny?
That was so good. I'd never ridden it before, but it was way better.
1,000 thumbs ups. 1,000.
Awesome. We loved it.
1,000 thumbs up.
It was a good time. Now we've got a Frozen lightning lane for the show. So we're gonna head over there.
Hollywood Studios welcomes you to, for the first time in forever, a Frozen sing-along celebration.
For the first time in forever.
Goes white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen.
I'm never going back. The past is in the past.
Cold never bothered me anyway.
The Frozen show was so good. Isla Jean loved when the snow came down. And now we are in line to meet Olaf. Hola. Do we have a spot for Olaf to sign?
Yeah, in the Frozen spot.
Okay.
I do. Olaf? Oh no, I lost it. It's my honor.
Hi, Olaf.
Okay, guys, everyone, big smiles. Come on. You guys want to join in as well? Looking for a picture? Yeah, of course. Okay, Fred's over here. 1, 2, 3.
We went to Woody's Lunchbox and we got their breakfast. What is this called?
Alarm went off at 5 and say
The breakfast bowl.
potato
Toss-
barrels.
potato barrel breakfast bowl. It's very good. Oh, I'm so thankful for you. We just finished our Woody's Lunchbox and we're trying to meet the, let's see, yep, the 10:45 show of Indiana Jones. Epic Stunt Spectacular. It is 10:42 now and we're heading in to the theater.
What are we doing? I don't know. I told you not to touch anything. Let's go.
That was so good.
I think I'm gonna be crippled after this.
I know. Lincoln hated it, so Nora left. He was too scared. Tap it up to. No, that's okay. Thanks.
I did.
You did it.
That was so awesome.
You nailed it, girl.
Did they go to the bathroom and I pulled it up and I was like, oh, they're over?
Isla, who are you getting?
I'm getting the flowers.
They are beautiful.
I
They
have not-
match your ears. You're stunning.
I haven't seen my favorite yet.
Isla, show us all your glitters.
So there's some on my flowers and there's some on the.
I love it. Are you ready to go ride rock and roller coaster?
Yes.
Let's do it.
it.
Your slushie's in the stroller.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch.
Now give it a super stretch.
In fact, make it a super stretch.
Use Star Lightning Lane tapped in and it's down. So they unloaded that car. Oh, can you see it?
Maybe they're just taking this one off the.
Well, I would think
Out of
that one's the
circulation.
one that is not doing what it's supposed to be doing.
Yeah.
All right, they're clearing us out. Shut down. So they're giving us the lightning lane. Yay, Oliver's coming! On Tower of Terror.
Well, then you might like yak. You then like
this. Go up.
Here, Bubba, I'll help you.
But then you.
You want it on?
Let's wait till we stop.
Lightning lane for Tower of Terror. This is my favorite ride, I think. Let's go. Works right.
You would hit that.
A dimension of mind.
Tell them how excited you are.
Sherry, I have nothing in front of me.
Oh, not excited. We are not excited, but we're riding. Here we go.
Isla, you good?
Oh yeah, she's great. All right, Mom, what'd you think?
I love that sequence.
Yeah, that was
amazing.
What did you think of that sequence?
Great.
What? It was great. Kyle, what'd you think?
So good. Still one of my favorites.
Like when you
Yeah,
said
it was so
Love
good.
it.
I had a good time. Ended up having to rider swap. So, because Oliver would not ride. So TJ and Nora just went. What'd you think?
It's great.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites. So now we are headed, it's not, I think it might be my absolute favorite. But how can you pick a favorite? Yes, I love it. But we are headed to Galaxy's Edge. Actually, I think we're gonna go do Star Tours first, and then we've got a Smuggler's Run Lightning Lane. And Standby Skipper just booked us a Toy Story Mania for $135.
It's 117. Should we just go do that
Yes,
first?
should we go do that first? We just have a Toy Story Mania. It booked us for $135.
Oh, yay, that sounds fun.
Okay, so we'll go do that.
Alien one?
Not this, the Toy Story Mania.
Oh, the like
Yeah.
gun one?
Yeah, it's like a slingshot shooter.
I think about
So we are from Idaho, and it was like 14 degrees when we left. But it is so hot. Ellie's looking to splash herself with some water.
Oh my strength, you must be the new toy.
Yeah, we're gonna eat dinner. Roundup Rodeo BBQ tonight. What? Okay, friendly competition between all of us. Who is gonna win?
I already have my glasses on.
Okay,
And guess
but
what?
Your prediction. Who's going to win?
Us.
Yeah.
Us.
Well, you can win yourself. It doesn't have to be me and you.
Us.
I don't know. We'll see. I can't wait. Go ahead.
Hey, howdy, hey! Welcome to our practice game.
Just pull the string.
All right. How do we do? 161, 235. Let's see. Best in vehicle. Woo!
We won.
So Kyle, what'd you get? How was it? All right, Kyle. After all of that crap talking, who won that?
All of that crap talk. Well, see, here's what happened. My gun got jammed.
Yeah.
And also, me and Ellie didn't know that there was the bonus round at the very end.
Oh, so you gave up early.
Yeah.
Really, you didn't know?
Yeah, we were late. She was beating me until that moment, and I just was able to go fast enough because I got a lot of points.
Okay.
But had I known, I would have just started earlier, and your 11,000 point victory would have been nothing.
Yeah.
You hit basically like 2 more targets than I did.
What happened?
But more is more. Okay, now we're in Batuu. We are going to go ride Smuggler's Run with our lightning lane. The last time we were here, it was so busy. We only had one day here. It was so busy. And I didn't get to spend very much time here at all. So I'm excited to spend some time exploring. We're going this way.
Oh, we're not going. Are we going by the Millennium Falcon?
That's what we're going to go drive. We're going to go drive the Millennium. Oh, here we go.
Good job, engineer. Right button. The flashing button to take off. Flash right and left. Weapons are online.
Lights speed, go! You got them all?
Every time he got one, he goes. We need.
Okay.
We need to find my mom.
TJ did so bad?
When we were following the train, the train, he was going down into the ground, and I had to pull.
Well, I was going left, and I should have been going right.
Hey, Bubba. You gotta stay in there, please.
Okay.
Where's Ronto Roasters in it?
Weren't we just in it?
Is that what that is?
Oh no, I don't know where it is. I don't know where anything is. Okay, here's the Black Cap cold brew with cocoa pebbles. Carl, you want some? Holy smokes! You're gonna love this. That is very coffee. Wow.
Where's the creamer?
Yeah, that needs a lot more creamer for it to be a Mindy's special. Holy smokes, this is so strong. Oh, I don't like it. Try that.
They're coming.
Did she fill up? And this is the outpost mix. This is good. A little spicy though. You don't like this? How is it, Kyle?
It's very good. Yeah, very good.
It's too strong. Here, oh, which one? Oh, just, this is a Ronto wrap that my mom got. We're gonna taste it right
Global order if you do, because I walked right. Mine was already global.
The menu?
I mean, it's very. She got the fruit.
Honestly, I'm not a giant. Is this pita?
Yeah.
Not a big pita fan, but this is good. It's got a little bit of spice, but it's good flavor.
Very good.
All right, we just finished up our snack and our beverage, and we've got a plan. Let's see, it is 3:20. Our lightning lane for rides is at 4:05, so we're gonna go do Star Tours and Muppet Vision 3D. Come back and do our Star Wars lightning lane. No, and then we're going to go to the Beauty and the Beast show at 5 after we do Star Wars. And then we're going to do our rock and roller coaster experience pass while we're down over there. And then it'll be time for our Toy Story Land things. Okay, but someone tell me, is it that way? Or is it that way? 3:30 and it's 5 minutes. You guys ready? Now go. I didn't even put the glasses on. It was intense. What'd you think?
It was good.
Oliver loved it though. Let's see. We'll ask him what he thought of it. How did you like that one, baby?
Good.
What did you really like it?
Uh-huh.
How did Oliver like it?
It kind of made me sick.
Did it make you sick? Me too. Oliver,
Oliver,
how was it?
some rice?
Did you like
What are you
it?
talking about? I heard you love every second of that.
Did you hear him over there?
Yeah.
This is amazing.
I think we've got enough time for Muppets. Do you want to go do that? Muppet Show? Muppet Vision 3D. You ready? We're gonna go ride Rise of the Resistance. This one's your daddy's favorite one? Yay!
Didn't I? Oh, maybe not.
What'd you do?
Did I write this last time?
Yeah.
I'll just use Kevin.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep?
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Thank you, Nine. Affirmative. The engines are on.
Was it good? I loved it. I loved every second of it.
You had 3 thumbs. Would you give it 3 thumbs?
Avi, how'd you like it?
TJ?
So good.
So good.
I've only ever ridden that one time before, and I didn't remember so much of it. I didn't remember going outside, and it's such a long experience. I really loved it. How long is that wait? 35 minutes? Els, what'd you think?
It was good. My favorite part's the drop.
Yeah, that drop made my butterflies flutter.
It always gives me butterflies. It's my favorite part of that.
It is 4:53, and the last Beauty and the Beast live show is at 5. So we're gonna go see if we can make that, and then we'll do our lightning lane for Rock and Roller Coaster. When it broke down, they gave us an experience redemption. So we could do it anytime.
Class, Mary Bell.
Understand.
Hello there. Now here's for dinner.
Keep it simple.
Take 2 on Rock and Roller Coaster. Let's go get it done. We've officially made it as far as we were last time. All right, Isla's terrified.
When I started counting. Medium. I like the medium.
You liked it medium? Did you scream your head off?
I did not scream because I was speechless.
Because you were speechless. She did not scream because she was speechless. Did you scream your head off? Or were you speechless like Isla? Was it good?
So good. Look at you guys' faces.
I gotta see it.
My eyes are closed. Where's ours?
All right, we did. We got on it. And it was amazing. And we got off of it. We survived.
I scanned my voice so I couldn't speak.
She said she couldn't even scream. She was speechless. Now we are headed over. We've got a Slinky Dog, an Alien Swirling Saucers lightning lane, and then we've got dinner at Woody's Roundup Rodeo BBQ. So Toy Story Land is the next bit. So wait for this one, 60 minutes, but we have our lightning lane. What do you get to do? Isla, what do you get to do? Let's go, girls!
Go, RBJ!
I didn't realize we were already going.
We're going. We're going.
What you both We're gonna go ride that Alien Swirling Saucers right now.
Even need a room or a thing.
No, we can just walk right over there.
Yes, that's good.
That's kind of special.
Mom, that was literally the best thing.
Watch it right here. Abby, watch what we just did. Look. Look.
I beat them. I don't know where it is.
They don't think Mom, they don't
There it goes.
Let's go.
We're doing a Disney workout here.
Getting tired?
How many are you at?
11.
Alien Swirling Saucers. Oh, hey, Buzz. What's up, buddy?
Your head started hurting. Up there.
Your attention, please.
Ready?
I am ready. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, blast off!
All right, it is time for, it's 7:15. It's time for a Roundup Rodeo barbecue dinner, so we are heading over. Our table is ready. We're excited to have some family-style barbecue dinner. And share what they serve us. Ours. What's it called? Do you remember?
No.
Woody's Roundup Rodeo
Bite-sized
BBQ.
desserts.
And
What'd you order?
I ordered.
Just the little cups.
We get every single food except for the desserts and drinks. I ordered a Fanta, and for my drink I ordered
For your dessert?
chocolate slide.
Silk?
Better?
Hi. Yep. What'd you get, Els?
Oh yeah, I think we're all ready.
Got root beer.
I got
the cheesecake, and I asked for salmon.
Yeah.
You get pilot lessons too?
And then you get everything on the menu, and you can request salmon. They'll bring out salmon. And Lala has a lot of allergies.
Lucky me.
So they are bringing her out. Some food she can absolutely eat. It's allergy
Who
friendly.
touched me?
Otherwise, all the meats and
most
some
of
of
the
the sides. Oh, and the salads?
A lot of the meats and the salads.
Can you eat fruit? Oh, you won't? No? Watermelon? No?
Who's touching me?
But it's, I mean, it is allergy friendly. It's just I can't have a
I'm not
fiber in
gonna.
it.
Where is it? I know I left it around here somewhere. Mom, have you seen my cowboy belt buckle? I can't find it. Never mind. Yeehaw! It's rodeo time.
Well done, cowpokes. Perimeter secure.
Got watermelon salad, tomato and cucumber salad.
What kind of jelly?
What are
did
they?
she say
Cheddar
it
bake?
was?
It's like a spicy,
Pepper jelly or-
yeah, sweet something. Right. Got some corn, all these meats. Got some mac and cheese, beans, potato barrels, coleslaw. Did you get mac and cheese? What was your review, Mom? It was so good. Our service was great. We have allergy friendly. She was amazing. The food was so good. You asked for anything else, she'd bring it right out. I didn't get the dessert, but the dessert was like an individual cup, and that was delicious as well. We'll see what Kyle thought. I think he said top restaurant we've had so far.
Oh man, that was probably like an 8 out of 10. It was so good. Service was good. The ribs were exceptional. The salmon was very good, and all the sides like the tater tots.
Yeah, tater tots.
The coleslaw was incredible. The beans were incredible. And they had a really good like cucumber and tomato salad that was exceptional. The rolls, the biscuits were incredible. So it was very good. I'd say 8 out of 10 overall. Probably my tops, just in regard to food right now. Garden Grill being second. Overall experience was really nice too. So.
How was it?
It was delicious. I thought that the allergy options were good, not just there to have an allergy accommodation. So it was good. 2 thumbs up.
The tarts are here to stay. Or get away and have the perfect buffet.
Are they up? All right, we just finished with our last ride, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. And we started with it and we ended with it just like yesterday. Now we are going to skip Fantasmic tonight. We're all really tired and we're going to watch it on Friday. So Ellie, what was the best part of your day?
I don't know.
I think best part of my day was Tower of Terror. That's such a good one.
Huge. We were gonna try and make it after making
Yeah, we kind of got stuck.
Can I tell you guys mine?
What's the best part of your day?
My favorite part was nothing. I liked all of it.
Yeah.
But what was your best?
Hers at
None. I liked all of it. My favorite part was the face paint.
Oh yeah.
Sadly, I have to take it off when I get home.
Okay, Kyle. Best part of your day.
Ooh, best part of my day. Today was pretty good all around. I mean, obviously, I love the Star Wars area. That's incredible, seeing the Millennium Falcon. But I really like Tower of Terror. I'm excited that we get to ride it twice on Friday. So, but it's also just the planning and prep that the ladies have put into this. They've just made it so easy and smooth, and yeah, it's been awesome. It's been a really good day. So, Magic Kingdom tomorrow. Super excited.
Tower of Terror and dinner.
Oh, dinner. What would you rate dinner?
Oh, 8. Easy.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for Sherry at dinner.
Same with me. That's 8.
Who am I passing it to?
TJ.
I don't know.
Best part of your day.
Hold it up.
I think Slinky Dog Dash with Oliver, and dinner was pretty good too. Nora?
I liked Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway with all the kids. That was fun. And I really liked the Star Wars rides with Oliver. That was fun. You like what? The Star Wars rides with Oliver. Oliver, what was the best part of your day? When we first got here. Linky, what was the best part of your day? Did you get to see Mickey Mouse today?
Fireworks?
Yeah. Tomorrow we have Magic Kingdom bright and early. We're gonna rope drop. So we'll see you then. Okay, bye.